Hello, how are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I have a small haul. And a cat. Okay, so I went to the Dollar Tree looking for something. Two things. Didn't find either one of them. But I did see that they had more of these acrylic boards in. These are 4x6 acrylic boards. Now, I did get these before, but I got the bigger one. The 5x8, I think it was. But they had a 4x6, which I thought was kind of cool. They have some new little diamond painting things in. So I grabbed one of those. Buggy likes to play with these. Well, so does Sandy. They had some new crafting paper, 24 sheets. So let's see what this stuff is. I'm thinking it's probably heavy cardstock, and it's very glossy, so let's take a look. So that's thin, but this is 2 sheets of each. Kind of, you know, inky paper. This was the only one they had. Well, they had polka dots, but, you know. Okay, well, I'm going to see one of those. 2 of these. 2 of those. 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 Hey, man, I only got one of these. Okay. So that is the new Dollar Tree paper pack. It is heavyweight. I'd say it's probably about 90 pound, and it is gloss. But good for journaling cards, you know, as a background for a journaling card, because it's white on the back. So there was that. Then they had some new paintbrushes, and these look quite different than the ones they usually have. It is a very fine point. And the bristles are a little stiff when you first get them out, but you know, we'll try them. We'll test them out and see how they go. And then this one, it says it's 2 brushes, but I noticed in the store that it has one has a double tip. And this one's just a very fine tip, and then this one is very similar to this one, but this one has like this weird, I don't know if you guys can see that, like a stepped tip on it. So we'll play with those later and see, you know, what they're like. But what I really wanted to show you guys is this. So this is a rotary cutter. Y'all know I love my rotary cutters. Let's see. Yep. And it was $1.25. So we're gonna probably go grab a few more of these, and it's right or left-handed. It just depends on which, you know, button you push, kind of thing. And it has a nice textured grip, good size for your hand. So we'll test this as well and see how this works. And make sure the blade's replaceable and all that good stuff. Yep, blade's replaceable. Quick change blade. All right, so that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. That's all I got today. Yeah. All right, so that's all I have until I see you again. Stay well, my friends.